The 2025 Sukhoi Su-35, Russia's highly advanced multi-role fighter jet that's still making headlines in modern aerial warfare. Background and evolution. The Sukhoi Su-35 traces its roots back to the Su-27 Flanker, a Soviet-era air superiority fighter. Over the decades, Russia has refined and upgraded this platform into what we now see as the Su-35, designated Flanker E by NATO. Officially entering service in the early 2010s, the Su-35 was positioned as a 4++ generation fighter, a class designed to bridge the gap between 4th and 5th generation aircraft by incorporating advanced technology without full stealth capability. As of 2025, the Su-35 has undergone several software and systems upgrades, making it more capable than ever in modern combat environments. Design and airframe excellence. The Su-35 features a sleek, twin-engine design optimized for high-speed, high-agility flight. Its aerodynamic frame includes canards and large lifting surfaces that allow for incredible maneuverability, especially when combined with its 3D thrust vectoring nozzles. Built using titanium alloys and composite materials, the airframe also incorporates stealth-enhancing features, such as radar-absorbent coatings and reduced radar cross-section. Despite not being a full stealth aircraft, the Su-35 is much harder to detect than its predecessors. Performance and maneuverability. What truly sets the Su-35 apart is its flight performance. It is capable of reaching speeds of up to Mach 2.25, with a combat range of over 1,600 kilometers and a ferry range exceeding 3,600 kilometers with external fuel tanks. The AL-41F1S engines are not just powerful, they offer thrust vectoring capabilities that allow the jet to perform complex aerobatic maneuvers such as the Pugachev's Cobra and the Herbst maneuver. These moves are not just for air shows, they allow the Su-35 to rapidly reposition in dogfights, gaining a critical edge in close-range engagements. Avionics and Sensor Suite. The heart of the Su-35's technological edge lies in its avionics. It's equipped with the Urbis-E radar, a powerful passive electronically scanned array, PESA, system that can detect stealth aircraft and track up to 30 airborne targets simultaneously. In addition, the aircraft features an advanced digital fly-by-wire system, electronic warfare suites, infrared search and track, IRST, systems, and advanced communications and navigation gear. The integration of these systems makes the Su-35 highly capable in both offensive and defensive operations. Weapons and mission capabilities. The Su-35 can carry a diverse arsenal of weapons, making it a truly multi-role platform. Its 12 hardpoints can accommodate air-to-air missiles like the R-77, active radar homing, and the R-73, infrared homing, for close and long-range dogfights. For ground attack missions, the aircraft can be equipped with precision-guided bombs, air-to-surface missiles, and even anti-ship missiles such as the Kh-31. A 30mm internal cannon with 150 rounds rounds out its weaponry. The jet's versatility enables it to engage aerial, ground, and naval targets with equal effectiveness. Global interest and export footprint. In 2025, the Su-35 remains one of Russia's most significant defense exports. Countries such as China, Egypt, and Indonesia have shown strong interest or already operate the aircraft. Despite facing sanctions and export restrictions from the West, Russia has continued to promote the Su-35 as a cost-effective alternative to Western fifth-generation fighters like the F-35. Ongoing conflicts and rising geopolitical tensions have only increased the demand for capable air superiority fighters, and the Su-35 remains a serious contender on the global stage. Combat experience and current deployments. The Su-35 has seen combat in Syria, where it played both air superiority and ground support roles. Its performance there offered the Russian military valuable real-world data to fine-tune the jet systems. In 2025, the Su-35 is actively deployed in several hotspots, particularly in Eastern Europe and Central Asia, where it supports deterrence missions and patrols contested airspace. Pilots have praised the aircraft for its agility, long-range sensors, and survivability in hostile environments. Challenges and criticisms. Despite its strengths, the Su-35 is not without criticism. Analysts often point out its lack of true stealth capability as a disadvantage when facing fifth-generation fighters equipped with active stealth and sensor fusion technologies. Furthermore, the aircraft's performance in contested electronic warfare environments is still being evaluated. Maintenance complexity and limited global support infrastructure compared to NATO platforms also pose challenges for export customers. Conclusion. The 2025 Sukhoi Su-35 represents a culmination of decades of Russian aerospace engineering. While it may not be a fifth-generation stealth fighter, its speed, agility, firepower, and advanced avionics ensure it remains one of the most formidable jets flying today. For countries looking for a powerful multi-role platform without the high cost and dependency of Western systems, the Su-35 continues to offer an attractive option.